Type 4, we have 3 sides which are given and 2 included angles. Now we are talking about angles here, so you need your protractor to mark the angles. Okay, we will go for type 4 constructions. In type 4, let us see construction. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR in which DE is equal to 4 cm, EA is equal to 5 cm, AR is equal to 4.5 cm, and angle E is equal to 60 degrees, and angle A is equal to 90 degree right angle, and measure and state DR. So we will mark here DEAR first. We are given DE, so that is a side. EA, that is another side. AR is the third side. Angle E is given and angle A is given. Measure and state DR. So the fourth side is not given. So we need to find that. So let us draw the rough figure first. What we are going to do is, there is no diagonal here. So we will take the base angles. Okay, base angles, that is EA, also side EA is given. So EA is given as 5 centimeter. Okay, so D will be somewhere here, R will be somewhere here. So we will construct a quadrilateral by making a rough figure R, and we will join this. This is just a rough figure to see which steps we are going to do first. So we are going to start with EA. Then we will mark both the angles. One is 90 degrees and one is angle E is equal to 60 degrees. Then we know AR is 4.5. So we will do this. And then we will find DR, which is not given. Also we know DE is equal to 4 centimeter. So shall we start with the construction? So first of all, we are going to start with EA and the angles. So let me mark a reference point here. EA is equal to you can darken the point, but see that you have one fixed point. Okay, one sharp fixed point. See that you don't tear the page. So this is EA, which is 5 centimeter. Now let us go for 90 degree angle marking. We need a protractor for measurement of angle. So in the protractor there is a intersection point here. So that point will coincide with the point A here. See that the line of 0 degree lies on the line which you have drawn EA. So place it properly first, hold the protractor. We need 90 degrees, so exactly on top you mark 90 degree. Okay, please don't draw with a protractor the line, so we need to use a scale. So draw a little extra. Okay, so we have drawn a little extra. Mark the angle 90 degree. Now we also know, let us finish this part only. Let us mark point R by 4.5 centimeter distance from A. Okay, so take the measurement. Four point five. Okay, so taking 4.5 from point A, cut the arc. The arc is cut on the line of the angle which we have drawn earlier. So we have our next point here, intersection point, that is R. Okay, and this is 4.5 centimeter. Let's go for the next angle, that is 60 degree. Okay, first adjust your protractor, then mark 60 degree. Now 60 degree is coming inside somewhere. You cannot take this part, it will be somewhere out, and then the quadrilateral will be slightly wrong. So 60 degree is here, so I will mark here. Okay, 60 degree, just one point, and then draw the line extra. No need to join anywhere, just take a little extra. Okay, that's it. Now have we done? You cannot join anywhere here. These are not the points, these are the angle points which we have taken using a protractor. So we are also given DE as 4 centimeters, so you can take the measurement of 4 centimeter. Okay, so from point E as the center, I will cut the arc here on this line, on the angle line of 60 degree. Let me mark the angle also, and this point will be point D. Now join this D point with the R. Okay, so you can measure also straight away. It is coming to 3.3, and this is 4.4 centimeter, 4.0, and this is coming to 3.3. So measure and state dr. So we will write dr is equal to 3.3 centimeter. 1 or 2 point difference is okay, 3.2 is okay, 3.4 is okay, 3.1 is also okay. Okay, so dr is equal to 3.3. So we have finished with the type 2 and type 4 construction today. Thank you, students.